mean, someone quite back SBM Fambra, Adom TV, so Adom TV, so Bedroom Media said, I can see on Empire, Sakan and Open Suja, within the Prof. E.K. Wallace, a good year catch back up, the only nomenclature of professor's degree in sports, the Al Regina Wallace, the nation's presenter, and Messim Kunyanam Kono Quantum Cordens, Maudu, and Sakan and Open Subu, our Ghana, good game age out, catch a bush for now for Yere Oma, Warfase for Nanam, Ukrumono Planfo, as a Prof. Jinem, and as you then come on also 18 San by Habed, a Benica, a Benny J. Timsel, Momodian, that's so between San Johnny. Paso Sebea also between young community eti na yesha said ya shanosmam say kingdom heba and a kingdom a home estate almost 3 year pa and the jumedi 18 sabro game park games edit the eagerly anticipated epic one game netia ba arrival with the bank but more than that so do between San Jim draw no eba so Adom TV so anopa no kron and afa premtrobre na feminu sianso etimi etofem fisa bere kode 1 to 36 numbers no obetun select film ukita 1 Ghana cedis anko pem 350 Ghana cedis a obetun atwa game park games and wetun din befu na boa emaniama etia tutu ye de manamum chacha di wa wadwene timi bom ani timi prunsu ekokọ ama wadwene timi hyehye wani timi sew na de adwene kakra timi asato national lottery authority for paying omadama wo na etachira aboa ema ye de san hye so nkwen so etime sejaw ye sha sentem paso ye fan komo nyaw de a na ye sha se de fi Argentina for Lionel Messi enra wo hwa bakwase motime san ye bi na se ni kampa na o player of the year e de ma FIFA best awards etime san to dwa na hwema Manchester City omo enso manager ni Pep Guardiola o claim said the men's air coach price no e wo air London no so ono so etime chi sabas body no e di silisire so
best awards no to dwa wo bi man so England na se ne die no January busumi ni de o sempeni fo yifiri ho ansa na Alex ahoduo yi atoa so ekowi ase no na Argentina ne di hia o si akadema enter Miami Lionel Messi ene apagya ne nsa so no na dinkunim Messi ntuma mepie dwumadi na se enemum Erling Haaland na osi akadema Man City otoso mienu a Kylian Mbappe ye wo PSG wo France otoso miensa coach of the year no nso ekoma Pep Guardiola oye coach edema Manchester City goalkeeper of the year eno ekoma Ederson ono nso osi akadema Man City afa ye the men's team of the year ne betu dwa no na tebo koto a Real Madrid datnem John Stones, Kyle Walker, Robin Diaz, Bernardo Silva, Omunyina o Man City, Jude Bellingham, ono Real Madrid, Kevin De Bruyne and so Man City, Erling Haaland, Man City, Kylian Mbappe PSG, Messi wo Inter Miami, and the Krakremu, Vinicius Junior and so Real Madrid.
Yes, and the PM and Rano, and you don't come out crown so it may say, Lionel Messi, who has an Mexico, Sabas body any day, even in his old age, go on Guso Edge, now audition when we yam or the Jumedia, or the Mientin Tom, our African Cup of Nations 2023 matches, Neguso, of course, the Empire, and Rat match it met up from Senegal, Eche Gambia, Fulcrum 3-0, almost superimposum authority, just a puzu, almost supremacy on them, Mobia with Sampa, born in the Umjum now, so Cameroon, and Sunny Guinea, Ebo 1-1, Nafi Angola, and Sunny Algeria, Ebo 1-1, Bonia Coma, Nashagro. AFCON 2023 gradually cruising to the midfield of the game. The rest of the MBC are but Group D matches be 8 finals out of Fem and Burkina Faso and Tanzania BC Kana so Tunisia and Namibia for Edebe Bosunafe Mali and South Africa Nelson Rudla Mandela Martino and Edebe Bosu we fixtures are Etudra and Nyamia Doma at the home common so Ebitian Sambrewachri but Yankum Côte d'Ivoire minute na ohwem ene se na setan ACT dia matches be na anatia san to fem yakum na afia statistics a etime PM so far d'Ivoire minute and ye debre o ma hu se na statistics so far etime PM akensi no eguso ekoso yentintom ewo group B game a nyame adoma Egypt enso ebetia sambo against my Ghana bibia betwema Thursday and Asakins case ebetia to fem Chris Hughton Blasters of Ghana head coach woden komo kakra tine se ja se Ghana first game konwe ne se ye ogidi pass second game no obetia make amends.
Put ourselves in not a good position. You know, it's a game that we wanted to get something from, and the hard part is that, you know, in the end, even a draw is some result, particularly when you see Egypt drawing the game today. What we didn't want, of course, and couldn't afford was to lose again. We have no choice. We have no choice but to be better against Egypt and to make sure that we pick up a good result. We're obviously hugely disappointed, particularly to concede so late in the game. We will analyse the game. one thing is for sure is that we will have to get some type of result in the next game. Worked very hard in the camp to be able to do that. So disappointing, but we will have to.
And say Chris Hutton, Blasters of Ghana head coach, and Odene Boshe, Aja Ghana for another anywhere seen as Sebea, Yamia Duma, a Thursday against the Ultimate of Fema, Ubitin Dim Kunimo, Mre, and Krabia, and a bit in Sachere. But the San Kumubio, Richard Ofori, Ghana's safest pair of fans, the stop shopper, or only a boshota, Ukitemsi Kukua, Edema Ghana, Yonwa, and K first game make a fire con Cassia, now so Ultimate was San Central for Shimano, or also Edna Kumo Ejai.
Need to focus on the second game because now there's nothing we can do in this game again because the game is done. So what we have to do is that we need to go back there and then we make sure we have to be one because this is the critical moment that we need everybody. We need Ghanaians, we need everyone. So we just need to stay focused and then stay calm and then.
Intinese Abranti Richard Ofori or the safest pair of fans at the senior national soccer team Blasters of Ghana and Nkoma or the title no. Now going into the game and yeni Sia Reverend Koku Jan etimetwetwe nkomo CST chapel ne dia na ono akensi bia bebaswa wotumi hwe na wa predict into the future was Ghana second game no against Egypt no one hwe be gobe e dia magana isan so hwe sena nema Asia kona hu 3 goals se ebeto Ghana tinema one hwe na Ghana yentimi ampuso atena no ba kokura
wale eze si amfa bibia ntu ya yeto ana nkrofo na hye miensa si amfa bibia ntu ya ye next game on be share 3 because
yentimi nti
me say wale si amfa bibia ntu ye ne ya mpre ade ya me ka ho asemi a ye betra ye tituo si ana asematwe ba me mpɛ fa
on be share 3 a yentimi nti ba kokura yentimi shagu sebi o manu durudwemu no se o man timi ensi division because wale wona o yire kwa asem ofie na ntokwa wo ntama bibia na o mo betimi ayo wo ye wi anye ye that is game for you yen kamum nkabom na we to mane nyene ye nyo ye yen sa do enti Reverend Sia and Alternate Council de Nkomo agent say Ghana nyina ye a next game against Egypt and akwasi apia amafo be ka etimi twa maka policia e wo maka so mo hye so no wanhwa na akoye gobe e de ama Ghana e wo sakens kesi betia to dwanim but Minister for Youth and Sports Honorable Yusuf Mustafa so den komo hakra twen say just we expect say nyame adoma Ghana e betimi awoso ne ho na ya kire bobre e wo subsequent matches nim.
Leveraging on the benefits of African Games resonates deeply with our collective vision for sports development in Ghana. The African Games provide a platform for our athletes to showcase their talent on the continental stage, fostering unity, cooperation among African nations. As we look forward to hosting the 30th African Games in March, let us embrace this opportunity to strengthen the bonds of friendship and collaboration across the continent.
The Minister for Youth and Sports, Honorable Yusuf Mustafa, saying strengthen the bonds and the friendship across the continent. Into Western Mexico, a friendship, any bond no, and Ghana. Yedi yekwa strengthen no ewo AFCON na se ne mo se ekwu win game pa de Western Mexico so ne dia aye 10 Everest edi ama o my Ghana nyame adoma Western ne mabisi akọ hye so ma me se me di usia na madawase na mama mu ene hwe ba hye so se game pa games edi the eagerly anticipated pick one game na tin aba bo modern da so do betin sa gym na star 946# boys dia idi no enya sam keto betin do ho gym na so wetin sa di bi ka game pa games a o se more power omo techiri pan de dwumedi etwensa bro National Lottery Authority for paying for techiri uni mu fengotwe a ya emfa honyim esan se chacha diwa wadwene ebetimi abom Kingdom Herba e the Kingdom Galibites ne Kingdom Gali capsules aba wapomo don sem na atoba ha eduba kwa build immune system no no afen so eboa reduce blood pressure no cholesterol na etin how and afi stabilize o sugar no na maniema 1822 ye de ma New Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules se memedro o pese e fro chairman dia do ni New Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules recommended for sexual weakness, waist pains, ultimate tompanon konanim emba nechi menstrual stress and afi so produce energy bitia bo mo bo adwuma chepa tremendous capsules so e mane de white fit na so di po na chi wadoi prapra himfio na bo ma ho de dokodoko frem chairman ba no kaso nti oboa obetua mo ho tremendous capsules. This medicine works tremendously in Mansanka bi na mo ama niama 822 ye fama Kingdom Home Estate at the dan papa netia ba. In fact we dan a quality with a modern touch security bambo ho semoma yirimu pampen ho ana afen sunsu ne ba ana afenyinem kania so gina so kama pa we no just some few meters drive from a Cropon right after Latte Junction on Sabeka Kingdom Home Estate kopɛ dan papa bi to na wasum entwensanjo ifira fo a wo yese ne mesi koso ifira bi ha ono perfume rice kwa na wo problem entim sew eni wa unya wo dan a aduani bi a pese ono bia betua sa no adi na aboa mo asetan atua kwa dia ma nye ni ka fa Kingdom Home Estate no say wo drive some few meters ho ma wo betumi de wani atua kirem e tete kwashi Memorial Hospital so pomodon sem na to ba ha wo betua kwa bi Botanical Gardens e ben ho Boti Force ben ho Safari Valley Resort so ben ho a wo mo elbo adwuma pa frɛ Kingdom 4 L0536149961 0536149961 ye ka Kingdom a o se no challenger wo mo ta chiri pa ne de enenso nkomo no etimi ebra me din the Prof Kiwalas agudie catch ba ko penam gina mu e of course evidence based presentation etimi jawo erade entena ma onye okese na onfa onyina yie obi bia da wo ye me so asudie na se darling baby a wo bia darling ene e your birthday sweet pretty cute crunchy darling baby a wo bia fantastic birthday enkoma se onso wo hwe Adom TV ene nkoma hodo a ye de ba no nkoma aka chiri ene doso entimi se okoso am ofide na na bi mu kese se be obi twam ofichiri a ono so betia satin nkoma ye de ebro no. The act of being a good guest is to know to say goodbye.